Okay, what have we got here today? It's something a bit different, slightly special, as these are pretty new. We've got, this is a TM Desert Eagle with the Garda Chrome kit on it. It's had a few mods done to it. It's got enhanced recoil springs and a stronger hammer and a tight bore barrel, and obviously the Garda kit. And here is the new WE Desert Eagle, and I'll do a video on these very soon. If you like and subscribe, which will show all the differences, you know, specifically really in the detail down to the piston, how the pistol operates, some of the differences, which one's better. In fact, if you like, leave a comment and say which one you think will be better. But one thing I've noticed straight out the box with this WE Desert Eagle, well, it's two things. First of all, the silver finish is typical sort of WE silver finish, but it's ever so slightly different. It's a bit more powder, almost like a powder coated finish to this. And I'll need to experiment a bit as to see whether you can actually polish this like you can the other WE pistols that are done in silver and get them to look like a chrome finish. I've had a little go at doing that, so I'll just pop the mag out, barrel out. I've had a little go on, just on somewhere where you're not going to see it on the rails, and it's pretty precarious really. You can get it to a point where it's a mirror finish, but you're so close to going through it and bringing out the copper base coat that I think the best you can get is sort of a shiny finish that won't be a perfect mirror finish, but we'll see. Who knows, if I get enough likes I might just try and polish the whole pistol up and see what it looks like. Anyway, for now, the main point of this video is the second thing that I noticed was the barrel, the inner barrel, which comes out very easily. You just tap out this pin and then it's simply a case of the barrel coming out. I'm just going to push it ever so slightly with this one for reasons that will become obvious in a minute. And there it is. I'll go into the details of the hop another day, but it looks reasonable. But what you'll see with the barrel back in where it should be, there's quite a bit of play with the inner barrel wobbling about because it just pivots around this point here. Shame really, because it pretty much lets down what otherwise, first impressions and from a few test fires, is a really good Desert Eagle. It's got a hell of a kick. This has got upgraded springs and all sorts, and I use map gas in here, and it's got more of a kick than the TM. It's quite surprising really. Anyway, so there's a bit of a barrel wobble, so a bit of a shame, perhaps lets down the accuracy. So airsoft ingenuity, always there, trying to improve and enhance people's airsoft experience. Simple add-on, again 3D printed in TPU rubber for those of you who are interested. A barrel bushing to support the barrel, so simply slide that on like that, push this back into here, and no barrel wobble whatsoever. And to be honest, the best way of putting it in is just pop this out again. It's a bit tricky when that's in there. Pop that out. Just drop the rubber straight down the barrel. It'll go most of the way but not quite, and then just a bit of a push, and you want to try and get it so that you can see that the rubber is right up against as far as it'll go. Barrel goes back in, needs a little bit of alignment so that it goes into the bushing, rubber bushing, like that. There we go. In. absolutely zero wobble on that now when you pivot, nothing at all. So a pretty simple mod. Surprised WE didn't sort of make the barrel fit a little bit tighter, but hey ho. And there we go. Push that back in. Tap that back in. There we go. And all done. No barrel wobble at all. Let's put this back together. So you can see what the pistol looks like assembled. Also, one thing, although I'll do a proper comparison between the two, much easier to disassemble the barrel from the slide than it is on the TM. It's a simple case of it just pops out, whereas on the TM you've got all sorts, especially if you've got a metal kit on it, you've got all sorts of aggro trying to squeeze it out between the nozzle, which why it is on the TM, who knows, but it has plastic guides that run all the way down the side of the frame, who knows why, but it makes it a nightmare to get it out. If it's a plastic kit, you have to sort of flex the sides and you can pop the front barrel out, but as soon as you put a metal kit on, you have to disassemble everything and carefully inch it all out. Anyway, barrel back on, recoil springs back in. Pop the slide on. Make sure we've got that properly in there. There we go. All sorted. Final thing to note, in prep for another video, is the mags. For some reason you get a black mag with the chrome pistol. There you go. The mag well, in fact, just noticed that, does have some curved marks there, so I wonder, I'm pretty sure the TM one won't have that. Nope. I wonder whether WE might be looking to release a CO2 mag. Potentially, it's got the cutouts there for it in the future, who knows. But yeah, that is obviously the mag that comes with the gun. Here's a TM mag. It's in the state of disassemble. Goes in. A normal mag will also, fully assembled mag will also go in, but the raised hot rubber stops the slide going properly, fully forwards. However, I have had it with this mag with the top on, but with the hot rubber removed, everything fits fine. But I shall do another video because there's a bit more stuff that needs to be done to get a TM mag possibly to work in one of these. So if you like, subscribe, and we'll do another video showing whether a TM mag you can modify it for it to work in here. Okay, bye for now.